Hey everybody, I'm here with my beautiful wife, and she's getting ready to do a load of laundry in our special RV washing machine. And we wanted to do a review on it so that you guys know whether or not you want to buy one. Honey?
Yeah.
Go ahead and tell them something about it.
Well, it's very little. Like right now you saw I just put 2 full pairs of jeans in. That's about a full load. So I'm going to get the water going in there. And oh, be so sparing on the soap. Because it'll froth up.
Has it been doing a good job?
It's doing fantastic.
It looks like you got quite the setup in here going on.
Yep.
What are you doing to keep this thing where it is?
This thing can spin like crazy. So we got this little real small shower rod to keep this from jiggling all over the place. But once it balances out, you really don't have to worry about it that much anyway.
Sure. And you're using the shower wand, I see, to fill it up?
It does come with some cheap hoses, but they're just that cheap. If you have it in your camper and your shower head can reach it, do that. It's much easier than using those little hoses from the sink.
Does it cause any problems that it's sitting down in the water that you're draining?
I haven't noticed any. We tried putting a little clear mat underneath it, and it would just catch the lint. So we just got rid of that, but just having it sit in the tub has been the best.
Okay. How do the controls work on this thing anyway?
I'll show you that in a minute, but you have your standard and a soft. I just always have it at standard. If you put it on to drain, it will drain no matter what setting you had it on.
So when you put it on drain, it drains out of this one or this one?
Both.
Okay.
Goes out of both.
I see.
But that's your wash timer. It's just like your classic egg timer. It clicks when you do it. Same with the spin. And you see the spin side is much smaller than your wash side. So what you fill in your washer will take 2 loads in your spinner.
Sure, that makes sense. I noticed there was a white thing inside of that spinner. What is that thing?
We'll show more on that later, but we'll put it on top of the clothes and it helps balance it out.
I see. I see. Okay. She's just about ready to get it going. So I'll get back with you guys on another video to show you the spin cycle on this thing. She'll show you how that thing works. Thanks a lot, honey.
Yeah. All right, I got just about enough water in there, so I'm gonna turn my timer. You can have it open while it's going, but it does spread some water. But you can see how it spins around. See, when it does that, you know you need a little bit more water.
So if it doesn't spin, that means it probably needs a little bit more water.
Just a little bit more blood.
So it starts spinning around.
Yep.
All right. Otherwise, it gets stuck.
Yeah. Just needs a little more stuff to get it agitating around. And you can readjust it too if you need to.
How long do these cycles take?
You got 15, 12, 9, 6, 3.
Which one do you normally use when you're doing the clothes?
15 or 12. If I have a lot to do, I kind of cheap out and do it in 9 minutes.
Because you're in a hurry, huh?
Yes. But
So,
the spin timer, I always do at 5. I'll show you that next.
Sure.
But
because you want to get as much water out, right?
yes, to make it easy when you put it out on the line.
Sure, sure.
Standard. And be ready in a few more minutes.
Understand. That's great.
Yeah. Alright, this just finished up. So I have my drain hose down here. See, the drain has a clip, so it can clip to the side and stay upward. You can see that. So my drain hose is down, and I'm going to flip it to drain. And there's blue jeans, so that's why it's coming out really blue. That dye's coming out. But now we're going to... Hold on, honey! So you can see the water level going down. That was the wash. I'm going to do another cycle on rinse here in just a second, which is the exact same process a second time. So that's it for the drain. Just finished my my rinse load. See, I've got the water draining out right now. So because these are jeans, they're pretty big, so I'm only going to do 1 pair of jeans for each load in the spinner. So we're going to put that guy in there. Might take some finagling around. But we got this little piece in. It has the 2 flat sides, so you can kind of fit it in there. Give it a good press, and that'll keep it balanced and keep it from coming upwards. So I'll set that down. Set that down. We're going to leave it on drain. And it's spinning. You can see a lot of water's coming out too. And each one's for 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1 minute. So, but typically, this thing does a really good job spinning it out, and you want to give it as much time as possible, so you have less time on the line outside. But it's super quiet. When you have it balanced, it's just as quiet. So, see you when it's done. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop this on my own. And you can hear it has a little brake, so if you stop it early, it does try to slow it down quicker. And it does have a little, don't put your hand in there, because that thing really goes. So, you just kind of take this one out. And this is the second pair of jeans. So you can get a little fussy. So take that out.
I noticed it has flat ends. What are those for?
The flat end, well, you know the whole thing with a manhole. You can't drop a circle in a circle hole.
Oh,
so
okay.
Flat ends, so you
okay,
can
yep.
get it in and out. But got my little wash rag, and here's this. I don't know if you can tell, but it's not dripping and sopping wet like it was when it first came out. And there's your little wash.
Very good.
Drop that in there. It's all self-contained, but I like to leave it open so it can air dry.
Good thinking. And we have a little girl here who wants to be a ham. Hi. Do you have your baby 6-shooter, do you?
Yes, and if a bad guy comes, you do this with your hand and put it
Wow.
there. Then you
Oh, yeah?
Then you do it like this.
Just like that. That's amazing.
Wow.
Say bye, everybody.